What's up, it's Kenny and Alex, and this is just a little short video.
It's just a little video because we're planning to do a big, huge video for our 1-year anniversary, and that's in 2 months.
2 months.
And we're going to do a big video, but you guys have really been asking for a video. So we decided to do like a short little video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it though. Hi guys, so today, just to do a little experiment, we're going to do the Boyfriend Does My Makeup Challenge. We have a whole bunch of makeup right here, and I'm going to insert it right here so you guys can see. It's just a little bit in it. We're going to do it. I'm not doing my good makeup because I don't want you to ruin it. So, okay.
I'm gonna get it. So we get it. So we get it. I'm gonna get it. So we get it.
You say all you need is consistent love. When I die, I swear it's never enough. I messed up. Maybe this shades on doing 95 with the top down. It might sound crazy, but we be going back and forth. That's how it is. Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
So we get it.
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
So we get it.
Till we get it.
Just a really short video. It's like 2 minutes long. Because we're planning to do a big one. So be ready for a big one.
Enjoy.
Yes.